Tashi dele samalo tataring nga dela pack lekwe jumse dikhare lana taring we're doing top um 5 Big Boss top 5 kaji contestant number 4. We're gonna reveal contestant number 4 today. The contestant number 4 the taring especially nge khachini kola the reveal chigelana taring khare Akshay Kumar kaji movie Houseful theore ani misamatta yuna ani kasa Houseful taga gyu Akshay kaji movie re and just like that nganzo kaji YouTube la bani khazingi Shah Rukh Khan Salman Khan taring nyegi Akshay Kumar yimba the door tako he is our Tibetan Akshay Kumar YouTuber, okay? You know why? Because he is Akshay Kumar is such a hard working, right? Akshay Kumar lega indi hulboire koda khari movie khari maji thogire funny movie action movie romantic movie ani khari meaningful movie and even thapkire and police chigire army chigire takoyeda kuma chigire khari manji chirdoya just like that our Phuyara is multi-talented korangirang khazangi life la thongso khoi leidu mata bus tangyo truck tangyo leidu alu songyo leidu civil songyo leidu YouTuber yin leidu ta khari koi mangbush las di pura chizu yelas ko multi talented yin las korang bani Akshay Kumar gaji big fan yin las so ani ko big fan yin sa and he would I think he will be very happy that I think that he is our Akshay Kumar of YouTube kajinana ko ende lega hurbudura korangirang lasu and he is so funny Akshay Kumar is funny and Phuyarap is actually really funny nga Phuyarap gaji live in mangputta manyuda but tajingi chik time ba and he was hilarious ko gi joke lang chidura ani korangirang laidu nga 찍나 찍 치디요도 nga 수구신치에 데이멜로드라 수구신이 마데도 레가 치고를 가리모 가르지나 레가 치고를 수구데니 마데로 가리나 찍 치디요를 스타야고 디 진행이 빼야고 통소 고 멀티 탤런티드도 he is 들다 go getter leisure 딱 코라 롱바 가을 땅나 베네 토끼랑에 미드레 샤우야 코코나 칠로 조 찍나 찍 레가로 찍세 카리나 찍 치니 코랑 서바이브 치수서리 콜라 정글라 쪽불로나 베니 코기 서바이브 치니 튕기래 디라이 디 인디고스 코 먼저거지 top 5 불랄레나 아니 personality perfect he's entertaining ko entertain chidu kechebin mangbushi du jokben saudu ende dojik sege gonan sege sare korangi every time YouTube studio so korang ran la so takba different content so I try chi ani this namji content miso gyole this loga suspense to shani khoi sudu ani modi petem chumbu thongu ani dichini Phuyara disamstaya shemba Phuyara korang mi yapuresha khajana ko also he's a family guy and I love who is a family guy pusuina bane changsa jesana kimeyuna suzoji kimeji nangmi pugula gagyo pudzo I admire them because they are one of the best men out there because tharin sang phu yapo raela the phu yapo ta yore but nobody is perfect right khashi apa yapo yore khashi husband yapo yomar khashi chilo lega chirian nangla pugu yomdor lega ropa chi mare inde do that this is problem yore but khashi yang kimi yona bani yang chilo ladoni chi chinge de bani yore then those are my worst I hate those men who goes out to cheat on their girlfriend and wife. Please don't do that. Don't torture your wife or girlfriend, cause if you want it to be 인디랑 친이 토나 아니 인게랑 you should have been single 창사 맞에 고래 된디랑 체나 single 데 오래 아니 가리요 말 수치기랑 라 가릴라이 말에 가리지 창사 직제스나랑 라 responsibility 요래 부고 요래 기메 요래 콘솔 respect 요래 콘솔 responsibility 요사 아니랑 실로도 사리 소리 치나 아니 야고 통도 결혼 싱글에나 치 가리요 말 nobody's gonna say anything. I don't mind ngata khari kuch lai mera but gau chige san chance especially chance jesana ani rang ende machina pe apudu ani puyara kuji khari apu thonsan tharing ko ji life la me pumudin zo ithi deshta oh puyara are you married la khoi halas laga yes lasra I'm married las lamsang he didn't even like quick come second chick when gumasta pumuresha nga kharela no right away no nga chance je sai lasra next question. Thinking so family guide the so we are happy to see that you are in a happy healthy relationship with your beautiful wife wife but I heard she's pretty and she's beautiful and rangbeni good looking do and rangbeni Akshay Kumar gaji qualities the pura do and rangela sa Akshay Kumar gaji favorite relasa that means ke Akshay Kumar labeni you look up to him that's why you are multi-talented just like Akshay Kumar okay puyara big boss lena ani ko kachi salana ko imbi브랄 entertain 신 샤이레 가질라나 코 미상마님도 로빠 친데이레 but 코 짱보여다 수 당보 비설에 섬기라 디니니 निकल के वहां पर होगा एंटी संविदाया but these people usually are the winner because they're smart the last big boss tambe karan virre ko beginning la coined rochisa but last la he won and I like that guy too kaza Karan Veer I think his name is Karan Veer ani puyara bunga inde dosh tungu tanga mangbo mongolai me puyara bla korala kimeyore digo se kime tis posiore ngi puyara mo chogo korla ke mangbo shina but ngi big boss ka content ke chedran soi ani rang sepa masaro chi puyara khyoranga jirang de re तेरा ही रहेगा वो तेरा वो है क्या है पति देव और आप उसकी पत्नी देव ठीक है या अनि puyara we welcome you to our Big Boss house.